All right, so this is my video reflection on my entire master's degree journey. Um, I can say from, when I started this, I was not a real solid programmer. However, coming to the end of this, I have become much stronger in how I program things. My game, how I approach things, in the initial, I realized that working with an entity component system really makes things easier, especially when you're adding additional features rather than having to code. Planning things far in advance of what you're planning to do, features that you want to implement, having a good plan on what you're going to do for that code before actually starting to code earlier stuff would be really, really helpful. For me, I end up coding myself in a corner multiple times. I had to rewrite my code, um, my entire code base a couple times because I realized that the way that I coded it, I would either have to completely couple a lot of my objects that I was creating in code um, instead of having everything loosely coupled and using better design patterns. So planning was a big thing for me. Um, so the way that I ended up arriving at how I program my game towards the end, I really am using that a lot for my students as they are also kind of following in my footsteps and designing their own games. Um, but just how I do, some of the simpler games, like looking at it through like the lenses from the shell book, the 100 lenses, um, trying to find out if this game is really fun or how could we add this feature in. What type of lens would we be looking at for designing, based on having the user use it and not just us, and making sure that we're being thorough. Looking at our designs and the aspects of all of that stuff, all of that I thought was really, really good. The master's course really, really pushed me to become better. And I'm happy to see where I am now based off of where I was, a year ago. Um, it's exciting. So that's basically it. I think you guys should all try course at Full Sail. You'll be challenged. It feel like real life. It's not like a brick and mortar school where you just kind of do rote memorization and you're done. Full Sail really pushed me to do what I needed to succeed in the field, and I'm using that as to help me become a better computer programming teacher at Licking Heights High School. So, thank you.